Guys, before we get into the video, I really want to thank StockX for helping me out with all the pictures that I use. So any of the pictures that you see, they are from StockX because that's where I can find the best quality images. And also, they're the best place to buy sneakers. They have the cheapest prices. It's cheaper to sell in there too. So buy and sell sneakers, streetwear, watches, bags, anything you want to buy or sell, StockX has it. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that before we get into the video. Yeah, let's get into it. What's up guys, Kicks for Real here, back with another video. And today, I'm showing you guys the top 5 most comfortable sneakers, or most comfortable running sneakers for 2019 right now. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Number 5 is going to be the Nike Epic React 2. This is the Odyssey React, but pretty much any of the Nike React models will do the job because they're all made for running and they're really soft and squishy with that Nike React technology. And they're also pretty affordable compared to Ultra Boost or other shoes like that. This comes in at about $120 or $130. Then the Epic React comes in about $150. And then there's even the Nike Legend React, which is even cheaper but still has a full-length React midsole for only $100. So either way you go with this is a great option. And I really like these sneakers because they have a ton of different colorways. And if you don't like the Epic React 2, you can always go with the Epic React and one of the original colorways, because those are definitely going to be going on sale now that the Epic React 2 has come out. So yeah, that was number 5. Also guys, if I do sound a little hoarse, it's because I lost my voice because I was shouting a lot in basketball yesterday. So yeah, that is why. And anyway, yeah, I'm going to move on to number 4. Next up at number 4 is going to be the Nike Vapor Max. And it is just all Nike Air technology. That is all you're walking on. So of course it can be super comfortable and super soft. And also it's going to have good flexibility because of the outsole. And they just dropped the Vapor Max 2019, which is pretty new. So you should definitely go look into that if you're interested. I've seen a lot of cool colorways like a black and gold colorway. And that was really cool. And there's a lot of different colorways, and they come with a Flyknit upper, mesh upper, all of these different types of uppers. And they're more of the pricey side, closer to $190 or $200. But yeah, definitely a great option if you have the money, the Nike Vapor Max. So number 3 is the Nike Pegasus Turbo, because it's really comfortable though, because it has Nike React at the bottom and Nike ZoomX foam at the top, which is Nike's most comfortable cushioning technology. And I'm gonna say it right now, this double cushioning is more comfortable than Boost. So that is how comfortable it is, and that's just how crazy cool it looks really cool. It's really comfortable, and there's a ton of different variety in colors. So yeah, number 3 was the Nike Pegasus Turbo. Just missing out at number 1 is the Adidas Ultra Boost. And this shoe, they just made a 2019 version, again, which is really, really comfortable. So it has apparently 20% more boost than the regular 4.0s. But any of the Ultra Boosts will do, or the Adidas AM4s are also really good. Just anything with Adidas Boost that's made for running is a great option for you. It's got a really comfortable prime knit upper, and it has boost in the midsole. I know I said ZoomX and the Pegasus Turbo is more comfortable, but that's in the midsole and the upper. This upper, you cannot beat this upper combination with prime knit and boost. Like, there is nothing better than this sneaker except for number 1. So let's get into that number 1 spot right now. Okay, topping off the list at number 1 is the Nike Vaporfly 4%, especially in the Flyknit versions where this has a knitted upper with 100% ZoomX, super comfortable. It does look really bad when you wear it for lifestyle. It creases like crazy. This is only made for your race days, and it has a really steep retail price of $250. So if you can't afford this, any of the other sneakers on this list are definitely a great option. So yeah, this is just really cool looking for running especially, and especially when you get out of the box, when it's nice and new, none of those creases. It's just really comfortable and really good looking. That was number 1. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you did enjoy, please leave a thumbs up because that really does go a long way. And also subscribe if you are new or haven't already, because that also goes a long way. So remember, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what the most comfortable running shoe that you've ever tried on is, or just the most comfortable shoe in general. Any of those will work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kicks for Real is out of here.